Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today we're gonna replace a windshield wiper for the 2015 Rav4. So I got this really inexpensive one. I'd rather buy the inexpensive than the expensive one because the weather's gonna destroy them anyway. So I'd rather buy the inexpensive and use for a year and then replace it rather than buy 3 or 4 times the cost, and then I got maybe extra year to it, so it's not very cost effective. So I'll go ahead and replace that. So all right, see every time. All right, let's get that going. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. So let me show you how to take this out. It's pretty simple. All you do is just flip this up and take it out. There you go. And then all you need to do is just pull this down and then you got it out. So it's that simple. Now you can take it out, one out, and then you take the new one. The new one right here, you peel them off, you take the side off. So you got the new one, do the same thing, you pull this up, you pull this thing up, right? So you're so hard to do, just one person, right? So all you need to do is, there you go. You pull this up, you press and pull up, and now you insert it into here, as you can see. And when it's down on the way, let me see this. Okay, make life a little bit easier. You put this inside, and then you pull it back. There you go. See that? So pull it in and snap it down. And that's it. You are done with one side. As you can see, it's that easy. Now let's do the other side. This other side is very similar to this side. Okay. So take this off. Take the plastic cover out, as you can see. And then this one, you just pull them up like that. And push them out. And then remove it. And you take a new one. Same thing. You pull this up. Take this in. Slide in. Snap it down. You hear the snap, and you are good. So as you can see, now both sides in, perfect, easy, 5 minutes, and you got a brand new wiper. It's that easy. There you go. You can see. And make sure you always check your wiper, because a lot of people didn't check it and they wait until the rain came and then when they use the wiper and then it's all bad, and then they're wondering why, and then they start panicking and they start going to the auto store and just try to get one right away, and that's where it's gonna cost you more if you get it from the auto store rather than you buy online. And as you can see, this one is already bad. If you check, usually at the end, if you check and it's ripped like this, that means it's gone. See, same thing with this side. You can see, you rip like this, it's gone. See that? So so if you know your rain season, so check before your rain season. It's very important to have a good wiper, just in case you need it sometime. You go past by some area that's dusty and then you need to use the wiper and it doesn't work. So same thing with this. This one is okay, but you can see there's a little mark right here. It's already trying to peel out. So you can see it. I hope you can see it. Same thing with the other side. This side even worse. Look at this. Look at this. See? So that's why you gotta watch out. This is one of those maintenance things that you gotta occasionally check it. You know, make sure it's good. You do check it before you went on the long trip or long road trip. Make sure you check it. And this is, you know, some people they never check the wiper until it happened, and you don't want to be right in the middle of something and then your wiper is not it's not good. So make sure you check it before the rain season start, or any season. I mean, like, you know, sometimes you just have to use it as an emergency, you know. So especially if you driving or getting to the snow, or you never know, you know, like even if you on the road and then you got some dirt or anything like that as getting to your windshield, and you need to get it off, and you don't want to wipe your windshield with this kind of stuff because it's gonna scratch your windshield, and then that's gonna cost you more, $100 more. So make sure you check it. And I got a cheap one from Amazon. I got the link on the thing on my video description if you want to buy one. This one only cost me $10. $10 for two. So it's a very good deal. Anyway, it's very expensive, and if you have your first car and you never installed before, I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you guys on the next video. Alright, bye.